thought we'd chat about protein, something that a lot of new vegans worry about or think they need to worry about, but we're here to tell you that you really don't need to worry.
No, you don't need to worry about protein.
So Kath's the expert on this, as she's a PT. So over to you, Kath.
So I think the first thing to understand is where protein comes from, because when you understand that, you understand how you get protein on a plant-based diet. And without going into too much detail, keep it nice and quick, is basically protein is made up from amino acids.
Yeah.
So amino acids are found in plants. So you eat the amino acids, there are different types of amino acids, and they combine to create protein in the body. So when we eat an animal, let's say we eat a cow, well, we know cows are herbivores. Ideally they would eat grass, just eat grass. So they get their amino acids from the grass. Then from that they create the proteins and create muscle, and then we eat that muscle to get the protein. So you can just
cut out the middleman,
and you just go straight to plants. So there was a time when we thought that we had to create certain combinations of food, like there was thing about rice and beans, that you had to eat in the same meal to get a complete protein. But we now know this is not correct information.
Okay.
So as long as you eat different types of protein, so you're eating whole grains, you're eating lentils and beans, legumes, you're eating
chickpeas, really
chickpeas.
Good,
Love, we go through lots of chickpeas.
Yeah, same here.
Yeah.
Really high in protein.
And there is mung dal is actually the same amount of protein content as steak.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, that's amazing.
If not more, I think.
So what is that?
It's a type of it's like a lentil, it's like a split pea. It's similar to a split pea. It's a pulse. Sorry, it's a pulse. Yeah.
Okay.
So it's about 23 grams per 100 grams of.
Yeah, so
that's roughly, if I remember correctly, of protein. I mean, you can obviously use a protein powder as well.
Yeah.
But you only really need to use a protein powder if you're training hard, if you're doing weights, if you're going to the gym a lot. And it just helps with muscle recovery, just to give you that extra boost after training. But you can also not use it, you know,
just
it's
have
fine.
a protein rich.
Yeah. So we also get protein from tempeh, tofu. Tempeh is a fantastic protein source because it's fermented. It's really good for your gut.
Love tempeh.
Yeah. So that's it really. You can skip the middleman, go straight to the source, go to the plants. Yeah.
And there's no need to worry about protein. So
there's protein in everything that grows from the ground or from a tree contains protein.
Amazing.
Ta-da!